Adjusting column and rows in MS Excel to second shortcut.
Sometimes we receive data in MS Excel which is unevenly distributed. Width of columns and height of rows is not according to the data, which may hide very important data. Meeting tight deadlines may not let us adjust each row or column separately. What to do in that case? Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to adjust row height and column width in Excel in less than 2 seconds to make your data visible perfectly. This shortcut will definitely make your life easy while handling crippled data in MS Excel. Can you see this red highlighted Select All button? Roll over your mouse here and click this button one time. By clicking on Select All button, entire spreadsheet will be selected and highlighted as gray. Now place mouse pointer between any of the 2 columns and double-click. You see, width of all columns is adjusted automatically. Now place mouse pointer between any of the 2 rows and double-click. Again, height of all rows is adjusted in just 1 second and data is properly visible now. By using this simple shortcut, you can adjust your columns and rows. See you next time with another interesting shortcut, making your life easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more exciting hacks about MS Excel.